Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you to explore a waterfall that 99% of foreign travelers visit when they come to Ha Giang. Why does everyone come here? Let's find out. Let's go! These Hmong musicians are teaching the young boys how to play the traditional Hmong ken. They're practicing so they can perform for tourists and at local cultural events.
Biểu diễn được chưa? Chưa?
Wow, guys! We finally made it to Gia Waterfall, and wow, look at this place. They say seeing is believing, and now I totally get it. Ha ha ha. Gia Waterfall is also known as Ba Tien Waterfall. It has several beautiful levels, one after another. But this is the spot where most people come to swim. And some brave guys even jump from more than 10 meters straight into the water. Just looking at it gets my heart racing. Haha, absolutely crazy, but so much fun. Let's go. Wow! Ha-ha! There are so many fish down here. I did bring my fishing gear, but there are too many tourists swimming here, so I'm definitely not using it in this area. Safety first, guys! Ha-ha! We'll just enjoy the fish here, and later I'll head further upstream to a quiet spot away from swimmers. Haha, if you came here, would you dare to jump from that tree more than 10 meters into the water? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure some of you watching this video have already been to this waterfall in Ha Giang. If you've been here before, let me know in the comments. Is it really as beautiful and untouched as it looks? I'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you, guys. Right here by the stream, local people are processing fibers from flax plants by hand using traditional methods. These fibers will later be turned into thread and woven into beautiful handmade fabric, clothes, and traditional dresses.
Anh bảo vệ may mắn cho năm. Anh làm ở đây hôm nào cũng bổ mắt nhỉ? Hai mắt. Ngày nào cũng được ngắm gái. Giờ em làm này em không lấy lương đâu. Không. Kênh á? Không in Hà Giang. Không in Hà Giang. Không phải là YouTube. Facebook thì Vương Phong. TikTok thì cũng là không in Hà Giang. Đấy. ghê, tầm bắn ra tầm 2 mét thì đỡ ghê hơn nhỉ.
People come here to test their courage. Haha. When you see your friends make the jump, you think, okay, I have to do it too. Everyone's scared at first, but once they make that first jump, they want to go again and again. Haha. After the first jump, the fear is almost gone. What about you? If you were standing up there, would you dare to jump? Haha. Let me know in the comments. What a coincidence. It's Saturday morning, which means it's market day here in Gia. Since I'm already here, let's stop by and see what special things the local people have brought to sell. Come explore the market with me. Hey, let's go. This is the livestock section of the market. Local people bring whatever animals they raise. Buffaloes, cows, pigs, goats, chickens, ducks, you name it, to trade or sell here. I got here a little late today, haha, so most of them have already been sold.
Bao nhiêu đây cháu? Con tàu kia.
Cái này em không mua tự xứ này giống muôn cầu chỉ muôn cầu bao nhiêu rồi giống muôn cầu. Đây cái mua cả combo cho muôn cầu bé nữa mà. Cuốn mua.
Kia 200 này 130.
Không ít cuốn mua. Giờ trip của màu mua này ơi bỏ giờ mấy phụ.
Chưa chịu đâu.
Hai hạt tàu gì
All right, that's enough exploring the market. I'm going to grab some pork ribs to grill and a little bit of pork intestine too. I'll take them with me just in case we don't catch any fish later. At least I won't go hungry. Ha 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 ha. Now we're heading upstream to try to catch some fish. What do you guys think? Will we catch anything today? Haha. And look at this scenery. Isn't it beautiful? The waterfall flows down the mountainside like a long ribbon of silk. Absolutely stunning. Wow, we got a carp, guys. Haha, our first fish of the day. Awesome. Looks like fish is officially on today's menu. Haha. Wow, that fish was so fast, guys. Damn, I got it, but it slipped away. Ha ha ha. Oh, look, my buddy just caught a tilapia too. Ha ha ha. This is awesome. Oh, I got another fish, guys. Haha, looks like today's menu is getting pretty good. We've got a nice variety now. I think that's enough fishing for today. We'll save some for next time. And look here, guys. There are tons of tiny shrimp in the water. Seriously, so many little ones. Haha. Now we're going to prepare our feast. Grilled pork ribs, grilled intestines, and the fish we caught. We've also got some crabs that we'll cook in a bamboo tube, plus a couple of fresh bamboo shoots to grill. Haha, today's menu is looking pretty good. It's almost ready, guys, haha. Can you smell it through the screen yet? Ha 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 ha.
Lòng nướng nó phải quấn hoành tráng như thế.
Right now, I'm cutting a piece of bamboo to make a little dipping sauce bowl. We'll need it for our mukbang in a bit. Heh heh heh. What do you guys think of my bamboo dipping sauce bowl? Is it making your mouth water yet? Haha, man, this looks so good. Everything's finally cooked, guys. Now we're going to cut it all up and start our mukbang. Haha, time to dig in. Wow, this looks so good. Come on, guys. Join us for lunch and enjoy this feast with us. Hey, hey, let's eat. I traveled more than 100 kilometers to explore this waterfall today, so I asked my local buddy who lives nearby to show me the way. And guess what? We've even got some beer today. Haha, my buddy really knows how to welcome a friend from far away, so we grabbed a few beers to enjoy with our meal. What a day, haha. Cheers, everyone. Let's dig in.
Mày cần gì mày lấy vào mày chìm thành trong này. Lấy cả lông con thì bóc cái ba ra bên trong còn thấp lên còn luôn.
Our wild rock crabs are finally ready, guys. Ha ha! We cooked them inside a bamboo tube. These wild crabs taste amazing, naturally sweet, fragrant, and the meat is nice and firm. Ha ha, absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10, no complaints. All right, guys, we're full and happy, so it's time to head home. Haha, what an amazing adventure today. Beautiful waterfalls, incredible scenery, and seriously delicious food. Thank you so much for joining us on another Ha Giang adventure. Drop a comment below to support us and give us some motivation to keep making more adventures like this. And don't forget to follow and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Because next time, I'm taking you to explore Ban An Stream, another hidden spot in Ha Giang. Stay tuned and see what exciting adventures are waiting for us in the next video. Haha. See you in the next adventure. Bye bye, guys.